Hello everybody, my name is Zati and today we are going to be doing a tutorial on the the terrain editor. I'm going to show you what every button does and yeah, let's get into the video. So so first you want to open the editor tool in your world. We can close this for now. Yes. You can see there's three main buttons. Wait, yes. There's three main buttons: create, region and edit. So let's start with create. To create is how you create like a landscape, but from nothing. So if generate means you generate anything. So let's do the size of 100 by 100 because I don't want it to be too big. Well, let's make this 102. Here you can choose what you want. I don't want plains, and I just want water. You can choose any of them. The Arctic gives you Arctic, everything there. Biome size. Logically, if I have 100% biome, it's gonna be one of these biomes. But let's have it half of that. So there's two biomes. Caves, you don't want caves because they just make holes. So this is biome size, choose a biome. The other settings, see, do not touch, it breaks things. Map editor position, that could help, but for the tutorial I'm going to show 000 because that's well that place, so I don't really need it. Biome size and material settings. If you do water, you'll be able to swim in it. And also just saying lava escape puts like lava places that doesn't kill you. So just for you know. So then you press generate, it'll generate. So see, I chose this, and it's half here, and well, you can't. In the mountains, the great things, but like you can't have an actual mountain on this piece. There's no mountain. But if I put this to let's say 500 and I generate, you see, it'll be bigger. And if I put this to 500 and this to 500 too, and I generate now, you see, it's much bigger. But until you change the seed, it will always have the same sort of style. So this is how a mountain looks like a bit. Of course, this is only in one side, so it's nothing so spectacular. Here, I think this is a bug because I don't know. This is a bug because I only have mountains and hills, and when they cross, you can fix that easily. I'll show you how to fix it later. Over here, there's one more. Okay, let's go to import. Import, well, you just import something. So this is like a game asset image. It's like, yeah, an image. I'm not gonna show you that because, well, it's complicated. And clear is clearing all terrain. Click it, it asks this question, you say no. I'm saying no because I don't want it. But if you want it, say yes. Let's say region now. A region, you can make a region. So I'm not gonna go here. Oh, you see, 500 is very big. So just so you have it in mind. Oh, it actually, maybe I could fix this. Base plate, yes. Delete base plate. Okay, and now if you look, you see that it wasn't a bug. It was actually just because it's the base plate. That's my fault. Sorry. But you can make more materials. Okay, so wait, that's properties. Yes. So let's say for region, you do this can only work with some things. It always works. But so you have a region and you can just modify it. But let's say you can move it. You can resize, rotate. Don't know why, but you can. Copy. I copied it. Um, then I fill it. Let's say I want to fill it with snow. I thought it was snow. And then yes, copy and paste. And like I pasted it, I have two now. So you get the idea. But if let's say I deselect one, I cannot reselect it. So just so that's in mind, I cannot reselect it. Yeah, impossible to reselect. Impossible to reselect. I don't know why, but it's impossible. So now if we go to edit tool, I'll let's say I don't like this little place here. Well, first let's start with adding. You can like I was saying, you can. Wait, I was gone for a little while. You can see that there's a sort of path grid that shows up, and if you press the button, I'll show you over here. You'll put that, but only on that grid. So if you let go, bam, you could just make it higher, higher, higher. Yeah, you get the idea. And you can also do it sideways, every way. And yeah, we'll subtract. I think you probably get the idea. Same thing, but just like this. Same thing. You can do whatever I just did before. And grow is not like this. Grow is you take an actual part of some land and you grow it. Yeah, you grow it. So yeah, reward, same things but backwards. It's like subtracting. Flatten. So imagine you want to make a sort of a base, like here. You want to make a village. So this grid, but like you press and then you just flatten the area. So you flatten the area and everything around it goes flat. If you don't have enough thing, you'll go up, and if it's too high, it'll go down. So yeah, a a way to just increase everything. There's over here. There's one like this one. You add, but nothing happens there. This this one, nothing goes, but everything goes down. And this one, everything goes down and up. So now let's do paint. Paint. Let's say I want to make my village here. So I'll take the ground I want. The cobblestone. Maybe I want cobblestone. So I put cobblestone. Then I said, oh, that's maybe weird. So maybe I want to put grass. I put grass. Maybe I want to put ice. Normally I would take for leafy grass because that's nicest. Or mud. If I'm making a village, I'll take mud. But let's imagine you want to make a little like river, you can take this the water one and put it down, and it makes water. Yes, then it couldn't be a bit weird, so I forgot to show you this, but the flat, the smooth tool just smooths it. That's a bit given. But imagine this place, then you can make it nicer. There's also loads of settings down here. Half them are just, well, not really useful. These three are, I don't really use them because they're weird. Over here, strength and base size. That's just to make it bigger. Woo! Or smaller. Woo! The smaller one doesn't do actually a lot, except if you're painting, but it doesn't really work. So imagine this way. So also the weather makes it so it's, yeah. That's paint. That's why paint can be also a bit annoying. Let's say sea level. Okay. I want to add a sea to my place. See, I have a box. I can control it by position and size, or I can just put it down and we'll let it do itself and just create. And ta-da! I have my thing. And replace. So imagine I want everything to be alpha. No, I want all the grass to be alpha. Then I replace, and ta-da! Everything is alpha. Of course, that will make it ugly, but it's quick to just change like this thing to that. So I think that's everything for the terrain editor. I hope this helped. If it didn't, I'm sorry. But yeah, I hope you enjoyed and see you next time. Bye!